Hello. So we were here in the sword. We can close the sword for now. I want to go back to our player character folder. Right click, go to animation, create an animation blueprint from the UE4 mannequin skeleton. I'm going to call this player character animation BP. Open that. Go to the event graph. Try get pawn owner. Cast a player character. I want to get um, calculate direction. I want to get actor forward vector. Um, oops. Context sensitive. Vector. Okay. That's vector is direction and magnitude. Um, I want to get control rotation. Right click, promote this variable, direction, and get vector, get length. The one we just had. Vector length. We can also vector length is fine. Promote this to speed. Promote this to a variable. Call it speed. Let's get a player character reference. Promote that to a variable. Comes out as player character. Speed, direction. Let's go to the anim graph. We need animation blend space. UE4 main skeleton. Player character blend space. Control S, enter. The horizontal axis is direction. Went from negative 180 to 180. We might not use this too much for this design. Vertical, I want to be speed from 0 to 1400, which was our sprint speed. I want the grid divisions to be maybe 8, so there's more. And snap's not the grid, there's more divisions. I want maybe a jog. Here's a jog right. Jog left. We might not use these too much. I mostly want jog forward, and then I want an idle. And if you press Control, you can see what happens as you jog forward, as you increase your speed forward. Let's go to player character and BP. Let's find this player character blend space. Let's plug direction and speed in. Let's go to player character and the viewport. Well, we can be here. You can use animation and blueprint, but I like going to the viewport. Player character and BP. Let's see what happens if we play this. A little bit of a typo, sorry. I want to get velocity. Let's try this. And let's see what happens when we mock this up to 600. Okay. Let's see if this calculates it like that. There we go. Sorry about that. So let's look over that real quick. Try get pawn owner, you get velocity. Get the vector length of that. And that's speed. From get velocity, you get calculate direction with control rotation. And that's your direction. And that gives us this sprint. I'm shooting on location right now. I don't have a second screen. I don't always use example projects either. So anything you see right now is all I'm seeing. This whole screen. So kind of jogs left and right, forward, backward looks alright. Okay. So everything mixed up. See you in the next one.